Hey guys, Jacob from MarineMax Panama City Beach here to show you the all-new redesigned Harris Sunliner edition. This is the 230 model. As we go through the boat, you'll notice a lot of changes. First off, on the outside, you'll see that is a much sportier look on the boat. They've done a great job on the redesign. Let's hop up inside and I'll show you some more. Now that we're up here in the Sunliner 230, you'll notice if you've seen any previous Sunliners after the redesign, it's much more elegant and luxury looking. Even at a Sunliner level, you get a lot of the upper end model features on the boat. The diamond stitching on the upholstery. This is Harris's most famous floor plan. This is the single lounger. What's nice about it is this backrest does pivot forward or backwards, so you can really change the direction of where you're sitting on the sun pad lounge. They've also added on this edition, this section here does flip upwards. So if you wanted to be facing forward rather than backwards and have the full lounger, that is an option as well. Full ski tow bar across the outboard engine. For any type of tubing, water activities that you wanted to do. This boat is powered by a Mercury 200 horsepower outboard, moves the boat very well, and it'll get you where you want to go. Moving forward, you'll notice as well the redesign on the helm station. Very sporty looking, wet sounds audio, Simrad GPS, even includes a phone charger next to the steering wheel that will charge your phone as well as keep it in place nice and tight for you. This one also does come with a captain seat as well as a co-captain seat with the floor plan that we selected, really opening up the center of the boat. As you can see, it has a flip out entertainment table that does fold down, tuck up out of the way, as well as nice additional storage here. Moving forward to the front, the redesign of the forward seating just gives it a much sportier look. And probably my favorite thing about the entire redesign is the see-through forward door. A lot of people like to say that's the doggy door, so your dogs can be able to see through it. But if you've ever driven a pontoon that you can't see through that when you're driving, pulling up to a dock, it's really hard to really see the dock. Clearing the forward entrance, you can see how close you are getting to the dock and don't have to worry about hitting anything. This is the new redesigned Harris Sunliner 230 here at MarineMax Panama City Beach. If you'd like to know more or want to stop by and come see it, my name is Jacob Wright. You can reach me at 850-819-9106. Thank you.